How to remove parental controls in Epic Games. First, what you need to do is open your Epic Games and then sign into your account. After signing into your account, click on your profile and then click on account. Once you're on your account settings, just click on parental controls and then here 1, 2, 3, 4. There you'll see 4 tabs. Just go into every single one of them and disable every single button you see there. Once you disable everything, make sure you set this slider to restricted R18 plus, and once you do this, just save the changes and check if parental controls have been removed. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.